Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. It's been a while since I last posted an update on our platform, and that's because I traveled for a short vacation, roughly 2 weeks now. I just got back home not quite long ago. So if you just joined us for the first time, I'm really glad to have you. I want to say welcome to NFX Hub. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And of course, share this to your friends. And for those of you who have been with us since last year, November precisely, I'd like to say Happy New Year and of course Merry Christmas. And I know it's coming late, but well, that's the best I could do. And so today we're just going to be going through most of our past analysis and more of a review of everything that we do here at NFX, and then from there we can kick off. Of course, this coming Sunday, I'm going to be doing our weekly market analysis, and you also try to be active for that. So first of all, when we go through our charts, we can see, yeah, we're currently looking at US oil. We trade mainly US oil, gold, and Bitcoin. So look at the US oil charts. We can see what happened here is like really, really interesting. The crazy part is that we didn't really catch up every profit on this trade because we closed before the end of the year, except those of you who are currently on the swing trade. And of course, you should be in very, very good profit right now. So we took this trade from about 68. Yeah, this was our opening market. I'll get this too quickly. We took this trade from 68. So last year, December, and we closed somewhat around here. That was at 70, 71. We had to make good profit from this, right? About 300 pips profit, which was fair enough. It was fair enough for us. But we for the day traders, we missed out from from this amount of pips, and that's because the year was coming to an end, and of course we had to close our books for preparation for the new year, which is 2025. But the good thing about this is the fact that we had a very accurate analysis. So this was an analysis that we did even before this, of course, before all this happened. We did this analysis way, way early, and we saw market move clockwise, is exactly what we predicted. We had a breakout from 70, which triggered some of the bullish run. And then we saw the correction at about 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And then we saw market bounced off the broken trend. And then we saw price starts going higher to hit over 68, 61.8 Fibonacci level. That is over the descending triangle, which we were expecting, of course, but I wasn't really expecting all this to happen so fast. And that was happened on the first week of January, within the first and second week of January, of course, so which was really, really nice. The good thing here is that it's clear that our analysis was on point and our strategy was really, really good. So we're going to be sticking to our strategy. We're going to stick to our analysis, and I'm just going to expect us to get more bullish trade this year on crude because the inauguration is already coming up. So in 2 days' time, Trump will be inaugurated, and there's this strong optimism and belief that it's going to stop the war. So if the war has been lightened even just by 10% drop down, then we'll see more traveling, more use cases for the crude oil, which would likely, or if I'm imminently going to boost the price of crude oil. So yeah, I'm expecting more bullish outlook on crude this year, especially this first quarter of 2025. So on the technical aspect, we can see that we already broke through the descending triangle, which we see price currently at 80.6 highs, and the current low is at 77 before the market closed on last Friday. So I'm expecting to see this level, which is around 61% of Fibonacci level, to be held, and we should see price bounce off and continue the bullish trend. But if this doesn't hold, then we could likely see price drop way back down. But I don't think that's very unlikely. So I'm expecting more bullish outlook. So I'm gonna be going in depth in this by Sunday. So try to stay tuned. And then the next analysis I'm going to be looking at is gold. Now, this one is a very very tricky one because last year we made over, I think, over 700 pips on gold, or 800 pips thereabout on gold last December, which was very good for us for a month. So yeah, we saw all of this happen. We took this trade, yeah, from this entry level, and we saw price hit this level. Now, the interesting thing is that after we made the first 800 pips on gold, the second trade we took, which was somewhere around this level, and we saw price get up to this point. I don't know how I missed that. I'm very sorry, guys. One thing I'm very sorry because we had over 800 pips running, and I didn't tell you guys to close on time. And even I myself, I didn't close the trade on time. Yeah, so it hurts everyone. So yeah, price got up to about 27.10. Then our TP was somewhere around 27.50. which was the reason why we couldn't hit our TP. It was quite high, and then we saw price drop down all the way down. Well, of course, I knew it was going to be a bullish market because the US was in a terrible state, and we're still seeing that right now. The gold is still very bullish. The gold is still very bullish. So we saw price drop that way back down to 26, 25, 86 or 25, 80 thereabout, and then we saw price recorrect back up to the 720. So the good thing is that, like I said earlier, it's very important for you to check your trade analysis, your trade setup, to review them to see if your strategy is actually going well or it's in a terrible shape. From here, we can clearly see that our strategy was on point, our bullish stance was on point. We didn't change, we were never bearish on gold, and we could see the result that we had. This trade was closed at over 800 pips in profits, and that's a massive trade. That's not something you come across every day. So it was a good trade, and lasted a couple of weeks or perhaps a month, but it was a good trade. And so we saw that from gold, and of course, this weekend I'm going to be doing more in-depth analysis on gold, and I'll be dropping a forecast. But by next week, we should be looking towards. Hopefully, we should get a good entry on gold by next week. And the last thing I'm going to be checking on our charts on our review is the Bitcoin. Yeah, so Bitcoin likewise, we haven't taken any trade on Bitcoin yet because the market has not really given us that green light that we been looking for, or I say I've been looking for. So we've been consolidating around this region, between the range of 91K and 100K. So basically, there's not so much we can do. We're still around the same level, which is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level on the trend aspect. So we can see price is still oscillating around this level since 20th of November up to today. We still see price around this level. Yeah, so we can see the price difference now from 100K to about 105K or 107K. So I'm also waiting for a clear breakout, above this level, and that would propel us to tell us that look, we're getting ready for 150K, which is our next major resistance level. So a breakout above 110K would do us very good, and by then we know it's a clean slate. We just take it and we wait for the next major resistance, which is going to be at about 150K. So that's why we haven't done anything, but so far so good. Our analysis is on point. We are still very much intact with one of the markets, and I'm still very much active on this. So I shared the community some weeks ago, and we can see on the macro scale, this is 2 weeks charts, just for in case anyone is asking. We can see clearly the market is still moving as expected. Everything is still in play. Everything is in the right timeline. The bull run is still on. I think the bull run is going to last till probably May, June this year. I'm not giving any fixed price, but that's the range going to be. So I'm being very optimistic, and I'm looking towards very high values for Bitcoin. Of course, I don't know about the altcoins, but for Bitcoin, yeah, I'm sure we're going to get very, very high price, probably in the range of 200K. And with Trump being inaugurated, we should expect really, really massive growth, especially this first and second quarter of 2025. So guys, that's all for our review, and I'm going to quickly go through our Discord channel because this is where we do all of our major work. So I'm going to be posting daily on our Discord channel, maybe not daily, but of course I'm going to be posting actively on our Discord channel. So if you're not in our Discord channel yet, please join our Discord channel. The link is in the description below, and also you can always get a link from our website nfxhub.com or nfxhub.com. And so here you can see our separate guide. When you join, please go through the rules. The rules are very simple, not too complex. Just be respectful. That's all I forget about rules. Then get a role. So this rule helps you get access to certain channels in our group, so you can access all of the activities we have over here. So and also help you filter it, so you don't get too much notifications on your phone about different things. So then our official links, they're all here. Follow us on our social platforms, our websites, and more resources, that will help you with your trading activities. So the last thing I want to tell you is this: on our trade setup, this is where I drop all my trade signals, all my trade activities. Of course, it's all for educational purpose at the moment. So yeah, so stay tuned and always stay active. Make sure you always get our best updates from this platform. So here we can see our past trades and our good ideas and everything that we've been doing. So last trade, like I said, our last trade we took on gold, which we called about 700 pips. That was massive, and also 400 pips. And also this is our setups, and this is how we do on some analysis. So and even the last trade we had on I think this was yeah, this was also gold. or USOil. Yeah, this was good as well. Which we had this trade, like I showed you earlier on the other channel, which we had over 800 pips, about almost 1,000 pips on this trade. That was last December. So we still had our crude oil trade. This is where we took the entry from 68. Like I said, we took the entry from 68 and we closed the trade about 71, which eventually rose up as high as 76. This is exactly what I was telling you. Like it was like exact market movement, that was really, really amazing. So this is mainly on our channel, and also we're going to be doing a lot of educational resources this year. So I advise that if you want to learn how to trade, like do everything that we do here, ensure you're on our platform, ensure you get the rule of a beginner, or like for education, to get access to educational resources. So all of those things going to be here. This will drop our weekly review and more updates. More updates I will do. Everything is going to be here on our platform. You get news updates and you get a lot of other benefits. So always, I always encourage you guys to please stay active in our community chat. I'm always there, so you can always reach out to me, ask questions, do anything you want to do. Chat with the community is really, really fun in here. So guys, that's all. And the last thing I want to say is this. Our website is fully active. Our website is fully running. We've uploaded a lot of courses and educational contents, which I strongly recommend that you enroll for. Enroll. I've made a lot of courses here, both some videos and then some tutorials, written tutorials as well. So you can always translate them if you want to translate them. So all of this is going to help you be a better trader. It's going to help you, think the way I think as well as a trader. And also, this is all for $99 a year, which I haven't changed the price yet. So this is what we're going to be doing here. So I want you guys to learn everything that I know and get access to all the resources and knowledge that I've mastered over the years. I'm going to be uploading more educational content, more coverage of other smaller things about trading that I believe is going to be helpful for the community at large. So the investors package is mainly for the pro signals and pro analysis. At the moment, all of this has been done for free. So when you're in our platform, you don't have to pay for anything at all. You don't have to pay for the additional content, which is $9.99, not a big deal. So for now, no premium signal package, no premium any of those things. It's just educational content we are doing. So I encourage you guys, please subscribe for mentorship plan and stay active in our Discord channel. Stay active in our Discord channel because this is where all activities are being done. So guys, if you find out this really good and helpful, I hope to see you in our channel. Say hi when you come to the community, introduce yourself. I'd like to get to know you and also get to interact with you. Who knows, we can help each other out with a lot of things that we're going to be doing. So, guys, thanks for watching today. Um, See you guys on Sunday for our usual weekly market review, and I'll see you guys in the Discord next week when we take our next trade. And I hope you have been making profits this year, and I wish you guys a profitable and a successful trading year. Cheers, guys. Love you all.